Good morning, students of class 6th. This is the lesson from your supplementary reader. Do you know the name of your supplementary reader? It is The Pact with the Sun. Okay? We have completed first chapter from this book, The Tale of Two Birds. Okay? Now we are going to continue the second chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. The Friendly Mongoose. You all must have heard this story from your grandparents, right? When we will go through the story, you'll come to know that you have heard this story before. Okay, but today you will again listen to this story from me and with the moral of the story. Okay, I will also tell you the moral of the story. Fine. So just pay attention to the lesson and the explanation. Let's move to the main story now. The Friendly Mongoose. Okay, now this story is taken from Panchatantra. Do you know what is Panchatantra? Panchatantra gives you many stories. Okay, Panchatantra gives you many stories, and this Panchatantra is, you can say, an ancient Indian collection of animal fables. Okay, what is Panchatantra? Panchatantra is an ancient Indian collection of interrelated animal fables. Okay, that is arranged in the form of a story. They are written in verses and prose. Okay, verses means you can say like sloks and everything, and then they are arranged in a frame, story frame. Okay, now there are 5 tantras in Panchatantra. How many tantras? It is known as Panch. Panch means 5. Okay, there are 5 tantras in Panchatantra. You can say 5 principles. If you don't know tantra and all, then it is 5 principles. Okay, first is Mitra Bhed, that is loss of friends. Mitra Labh, that is gaining friends. It is Shrubadl Veda, that is causing discord between friends. Okay, Vigraha, that is separation, and Sandhi, that is union. Okay, so these are 5 principles of the Panchatantra: loss of friend, gaining friend, causing discord between friend, Shrudveda, causing discord between friends, Vigraha, okay, separation, and Sandhi. Sandhi means union. These are the 5 principles of Panchatantra. What is Panchatantra? Panchatantra is an ancient collection of interrelated animal fables written in Sanskrit in form of verse and prose. It is arranged in the form of a story. Okay, so this story which we are going to learn today, or which I am going to explain you today, it is about a friendly mongoose. Friendly mongoose is a famous folk tale from Panchatantra, and this story revolves around a farmer's family. Okay, a farmer family and a mongoose. Okay, this is all the story about. Now, you all must have heard this story before also. Okay, so let's move to the main story now. Okay, after explaining you about the Panchatantra and its 5 principles, let's now listen to the main story. The story begins with a farmer in a village. In this story, you would listen about a farmer, his wife, okay, his small child, and the mongoose. There will be 4 characters, including the mongoose. There will be 4 characters: farmer, his wife, and the child, and mongoose. Okay. Now the story begins with a farmer in the village who thinks that their small son needs a companion. What is a companion? Companion means a person or animal with whom one spends a lot of time. Okay? With whom one spends a lot of time, or with whom one travels. So what did the farmer think? The farmer once thought that my small son needs a companion because he don't have anybody to play. He doesn't have anybody to talk with. Okay, so there should be a companion for my son. He discusses it with his wife. Now, what does the farmer do? Before bringing a companion at home, he wants to have a talk with his wife regarding this. So what did he do? He discussed about it with his wife and brings a cute mongoose, baby mongoose, and brings a cute baby mongoose. And what did he do? After having a discussion about bringing a companion for his son at home, when the wife says yes, you can, the farmer brings a cute baby mongoose at home. Okay, soon the baby mongoose becomes like a family member. Now the baby mongoose was very small. When it was brought home, it became a family member of the farmer's family. Okay? Within a few months, the baby mongoose grew in full size, while the farmer's son remains still in a cradle. What is a cradle? The cradle is a cot, you can say. The cradle is the cot or bed of the baby. Okay, in which the babies are meant to be slept. Okay, they are kept in that to sleep. So soon the mongoose, it grew in a full size as a big mongoose is, but the farmer's son, it was still in the cradle. Okay, now looking at the baby mongoose, when the farmer brought the mongoose at home, the wife said, "It's a baby mongoose." Okay, the wife said, "You have bought a companion, but the companion is a mongoose." So, to this, the farmer said that, "Don't worry, it will soon grow up. It will soon grow up and will be friend of our baby." Okay, saying this, now the time passed and the baby and the mongoose started growing. Okay, within 6 to 5 months, the mongoose was in a full size, but the baby was very small. Now, how did the mongoose look? a lovely animal with two shining black eyes and bushy tail. Okay, the look of the mongoose is given here. Okay, the farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, as I told you. Okay, sleeping and crying. Now when the babies are small, they keep on crying and keep on sleeping. Till they are small, they keep on sleeping only, and if they are awake, they keep on crying and playing. Okay, so soon happened this, and the time was passing on. Okay, now one day, what did the farmer's wife decided? One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. Okay, now why did she wanted to go to the market? She wanted to go to the market to buy some grocery. Grocery means the food eating items for the house. Okay, she fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. What is rock? Rock means to pull the cradle to and fro. Okay, so what did the lady do? Before going to the market, she rocked the baby in the cradle and let it to sleep. Okay, now when the baby was asleep, she picked the basket and said to her husband. What did she say? She said to her husband that I am going to the market. You please keep an eye on the baby. Why did she say so? Can you think? She said so because she didn't like the mongoose with the baby. Okay? She was in the fear that the mongoose would harm her child, harm her baby. So she didn't wanted the mongoose to be alone with the baby. So she said to her husband that keep an eye on the baby. I am going to the market to buy the grocery. The baby is sleeping. Okay, and frankly she said, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Now looking at the fear of the baby, when the farmer saw the fear of the wife, okay, when the farmer saw the fear of the wife, he said that you don't get afraid. No need to get afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. Okay, it's as sweet as our baby. It is the same like our son. You should love the mongoose like your son, and they are the best friends now. As we have bought the mongoose since he was a small baby mongoose, now after growing up, this mongoose is our baby's best friends. So you need not to get afraid at all. Don't get afraid. Everything will be fine. Okay. Saying so, the wife goes away. The wife went away. Listening to this, the wife went away. Okay. The farmer having nothing to do. Now the farmer did not have anything to do because the wife had gone and the baby was busy sleeping in the cradle. The farmer did not have anything to do. So what did he decide? He decided to visit his nearby friends. Now the farmer decided that as I don't have anything to do, let me go and visit some of my friends. During his return, now when he was coming back, okay, and he thought of taking a look at his fields. Now, as he was a farmer, he also had to look at the fields of his. So he decided, after coming from his friend, after returning from his friends, he thought of having a look on his fields, at his fields. So he went there. Okay? And he ran into some friends on the way and didn't return for quite some time. Now, the farmer had decided that he would go to the meet his friends and come out very soon till the baby gets awake. Okay, but some of the other work started. He went to have a look at his field. While returning, he met some of his new friends. All this process happened so that he was not able to return for a long time. Okay, now the farmer did not return for some time, but the lady, farmer's wife, she had finished the shopping now. What happened further when she returned? The farmer's wife finished her shopping. Okay, the house lady, you can say, finished the shopping and came back with a basket full of grocery. She came back with holding a basket full of grocery in her hand. Okay, she saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. Okay, when she came back with the basket of grocery in her hand, she saw that the mongoose was waiting. Okay, on seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Okay, when she comes, she means when the farmer's wife, when she comes home, the mongoose, what did the mongoose do? The mongoose ran towards her as a customary means, as he had the habit of. Okay, a person's habit. One person having habit of. So here the mongoose also had the habit to welcome the farmer or his wife whenever they went out. So same through going through the habit. When the farmer's wife came back from the market carrying the grocery, the mongoose ran towards her and greeted her, you can say, and welcomed her. Okay, the farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. The eyes and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Okay, she looked at the mongoose. Okay, and all of a sudden she screamed. Screamed means to give a loud shout. Okay, she shouted loudly, blood. Okay, the paws and the mouth or the face, you can say, of the mongoose was totally smeared. Smeared means totally, you can say, it was filled with blood. Okay, or it was coated with blood. Okay, so here it is trying to say that the face and the paws means the legs, you can say, the claws of the animal. So here we are talking about the mongoose. The farmer's wife screamed loudly when she saw the blood smeared on face and paws of the mongoose. Okay, you wicked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. Okay, now what did the wife think? What did the farmer's wife think? The farmer's wife thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. So she screamed and shouted at the mongoose that, you wicked animal, you wicked creature, you have killed my baby. And she became very angry. Okay, and she became very angry. She was blind with rage. Now, what is rage? Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. What is rage? Violent, uncontrollable anger. When you get angry like anything and you don't understand anything at that time. Okay, so same thing happened with the farmer's wife. In the rage, okay, she was blind with rage and with all of strength brought down the heavy basket full of the grocery on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside the baby's and ran inside to the child's cradle. Now with the anger, with the uncontrollable anger, or you can say with blind in rage, she threw the heavy grocery basket on the mongoose, and first she wanted to have a look on her son. So she threw the basket on the baby and ran inside the house to look to her son. Okay? Without thinking anything, just looking at the blood on the face and paws of the mongoose, she thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. She got very angry and threw the basket of the grocery on the mongoose, and she ran inside to have a look at her son, that what has happened to her son. Okay, she enters the room. Okay, she enters the room. When she enters the room, she sees that her baby is sleeping in the cradle. The baby was fast asleep. When she enters, she sees that the baby is fast asleep. And on the floor, when she looks on the floor, lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. She looks at the floor, and on the floor she found a black snake lying dead on the floor with blood. In a flash, she realized what had happened. Now looking at the baby sleeping very silently, quietly, looking at the snake torn into pieces, full of blood, she immediately realizes what would have happened. Okay, what would have happened? She immediately started realizing. She now understands that the mongoose had not killed the baby, but has saved her baby from the snake. After looking at all the things which was around her, she realized that what she had thought was absolutely wrong. The baby was safe. The mongoose had saved the baby from the snake. The mongoose had not killed the baby. It had killed the snake. Okay, now when she comes to realize everything, she feels pity. She feels bad, you can say here. Okay, that what I thought of the mongoose, she felt guilty of herself. That what I thought for the mongoose was absolutely wrong. Okay, and immediately came to her mind about the mongoose. So she runs out again to look for the mongoose. She runs out. Okay, she ran out looking for the mongoose. Oh, you have saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? Okay, looking at the baby safe, she ran out of the house after realizing everything. She ran out of the house. She ran and had a look on the mongoose and said, "Oh mongoose, you have saved my child. You killed the snake, and what have I done?" Saying this, she touches the mongoose. Okay, but the mongoose was no more. It died. It lay dead and still, without any movement. Still means without any movement, unaware of her sobbing. Now the mongoose had died because with anger, the farmer's wife had thrown the basket of grocery on the mongoose, and due to that the mongoose died. So when the farmer's wife came to have a look on the the mongoose was no more. Okay, now because the mongoose was dead, it didn't even know that the farmer's wife was sobbing. Sobbing means crying. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily means without thinking, taking decision without thinking, okay, and rashly stared long at the dead mongoose. Now she had to do nothing other than standing and staring at the dead mongoose. The mongoose was dead. She can't make it alive. But the only thing she could do was just stand and have a look at the dead mongoose and be guilty on what she did without thinking. Then she heard the baby crying. Okay, then the baby again started crying. So the farmer's wife, hearing to the baby's cry, she went back into the house, leaving the dead mongoose outside the gate. Okay, now listening to the whole story, what moral did you understand? What did you understand by this story? Moral and objective of the story, because every story, whatever story you would learn in Panchatantra, guys, whatever story you would learn in Panchatantra or you would read in Panchatantra, okay, each and every story would make you learn something. Okay, each and every story would make you learn something. The stories in the Panchatantra are light, colorful, okay, and these stories can be heard by everyone, every tiny tot, okay, because these stories provide valuable lessons that stay in your mind forever. Whatever you learn, guys, whatever you learn, if you learn it in a story way, okay, it stays in your mind forever. Now, as I have told you the story today about the friendly mongoose. Now, if I tell you the moral behind it, that what have you learnt from that, then here what did we see? In this we saw that the lady became angry and with the rage killed the mongoose. Okay, she became angry and with the uncontrollable, you can say, anger, she killed the mongoose. Okay, she did not analyze the situation. What is analyze? Analyze means examine methodically and in detail. Okay, means before taking any decision, she didn't even think for a while that what would have happened. Why is there blood on the paws and face of the mongoose? Okay, and initiated the action without the use of mind. Without using her mind, because of the anger, she took the decision without thinking. The story teaches us to not to be angry and take action without mind if something goes wrong. If you see something wrong, okay, before taking any decision in anger, you should not take any action. Think before. You have the mind to think. Think before taking any decision. That is this decision right? Why this must have happened? What am I seeing before me? Is it wrong or is it right? Okay, because of the anger, do not take any decision, or else we will have to repent later, just like the farmer's wife. Okay, if you take decisions without thinking in angerness, only one thing can happen. You will have to regret, or you will have to be guilty at last. At the last, you only have to be guilty for what you have done, because nothing more you can do after that. Once the decision, once the action is being taken, it cannot be changed at any cost. Okay, so whenever you are angry, okay, or whenever you get angry, just think and take the decision. Don't take the decision without thinking, you can say. Okay, that can lead to, you can say, lead to guilty, or lead to make you regret, as it happened with the farmer's wife. Without thinking, she took the decision, she took the action, you can say. Because of her anger, the mongoose was killed. Okay, and when she came to know the truth, she was very guilty about it. But now the action was been taken, it could not change at all. So that's why the moral of this story is, do not take any action, or any decision with angerness, without using your mind, or else you have to repent later. Okay, this is the story. For the exercise, you will get a worksheet, so better pay attention to whatever is being taught to you. Okay, now we will move towards the word meanings. You must have gone through many words today, for which I have told you the meanings in between, but if you write it down, it would be more easy for you to understand. Okay, now moving to the word meanings. Companion. First word is companion. 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 A person or animal with whom one spends a lot of time, or with whom one travels. Companion means a person or animal. A person or an animal with whom one spends a lot of time, okay, or with whom one travels. Next is cradle. 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 Cradle means a baby's bed on which the babies are meant to be slept. Okay, and the mother or the grandmother rocks the cradle. Okay, that is the baby's cot, you can say. Cradle, a baby's bed or cot. Next, customary. According to a person's habitual practice. Means a person having a habitual practice of something is called customary. Paws. You can say it as the foot having claws and pads of the animal. The legs of the animal, easy way to understand. Okay, and the down on which the animal walks. There are paws, pads and claws. So paws, an animal's foot having claws, nails and paw. Rage. Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. Means you are angry, but such a anger which is uncontrollable with you. And with that anger, you don't know what are you doing, what action are you taking. Okay, so that is rage. Rage means violent, uncontrollable anger. Then is analyze. A-N-A-L-Y-S-E. Analyze means examine methodically and in detail, typically in order to explain or interpret it. Okay, means without examining. Analyze means to examine something in detail. Here analyze was like farmer's wife. Without analyzing what would have happened, with the uncontrollable anger, she took the action and killed the mongoose, and later she had to repent on it. Initiated. Initiated means cause to begin. Okay, a cause to begin is called initiated. Next is repent. Repent means feel or express sincere regret or remorse about one's wrongdoing or sin. Means repent in sense you can say further to regret or to feel guilty. Once you have taken the action wrongdoing, okay, then only thing remains is to repent on it. The action cannot be taken back. Once you have done the action, it cannot be taken back. And the thing which remains is only to repent. Okay, so these were the word meanings. Okay, please take care of the lesson. Pay attention. Take care of your health. Till then,